Hey guys, I'm here with my boyfriend. Do you want to introduce yourself?
My name's Kyle.
Yeah,
How's it going?
we're going to Target now, so we're going to take you guys inside. We're in Target right now. We're looking for picture frames, so let us know if you guys see picture frames because we need some. Sheets, or not sheets, those are like quilts. Are we getting closer? You guys, he found them. Everything we need. What size are we looking for? 16 by 20? Oh, right here, there's 3. They're $16 each. Or we could find maybe these ones are also probably 16 by 20. No, those are 11 by 14. What's that?
No, these ones are a little more heavy duty, I think.
Than those. Yeah, they feel like cheapy, like plasticky. You guys, we got the goods. We got the picture frames. And now we are here outside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Look at that beautiful sight. Now we're gonna go to his dad's house. Okay, so now we have some snacks. We have onion rings. What is that?
Coke Zero.
And we also have some cheese curds, which I've never had cheese curds before. So we're gonna try some. We got ketchup, ranch, and some huckleberry sauce. So while we're eating these, I think we should ask you some questions so that they can get to know you. So let's see. Question 1. What do you like to do for fun? Oh shit.
For fun, I like to hang out with my friends if I can. Hang out with you when we got time, always. Anything outdoors. Hiking, mainly fishing. Going to the lake. Going on walks. That's about it.
That's a lot of stuff.
It is a lot of stuff.
Okay. Where do you see yourself living in 10 years?
Boise, Idaho. In the foothills.
So you wouldn't want to move from where you live now,
Necessarily.
or city.
It's interesting.
Is it good?
Real good.
So this is some huckleberry sauce that she gave us. So I'm gonna try it too. Are they hot?
No, not too bad.
It is pretty interesting. What is your biggest pet peeve?
Biggest pet peeve? Super pessimistic people.
Huh? What is your favorite thing to drink?
Favorite thing to drink? Probably that one juice from Trader Joe's, the watermelon cucumber or whatever.
Although you like that one. They don't have that one anymore.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
That one was pretty good.
Probably water though.
Water? I know you always do drink water. But there was this good drink from Trader Joe's. It was called watermelon cucumber. And we would get it every time they had it until they stopped having it at our Trader Joe's. I think it's a summer drink, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we get the country peach. That one's good. What about alcoholic drink?
Like dark beers, porters or stouts, ideally.
Okay. What is your favorite kind of animal?
Dog.
Are you a beach or a mountains person?
Mountains.
Would you rather have a lot of land in a small house or a big house and a little bit of land?
Small house, a lot of land.
Okay. If you could only live off of one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Probably burger and fries.
Fries, not onion rings?
Probably fries.
Who sells your favorite fries?
Well, just like fries themselves, probably Wendy's.
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 Okay.
But if you're gonna like get fries, like from somewhere, I think In-N-Out's animal style fries are pretty damn good. Gotta get a well done though. Well done, everybody.
No, Lightwell.
Light.
Yeah, Lightwell.
Well, shit. My bad.
He used to not like In-N-Out when I first met him because he's from Idaho. And he was like, no, I don't know what the hype is about. In-N-Out's not that good. And then we went again. And then I told him how to order fries and we ate it there. Because you have to eat it fresh for it to be good. And then now he's hooked. And every time we go back to California, we eat it like at least 5 to 7 times.
Yeah, a good portion of the time.
Or
70%.
anywhere. Or anywhere there's an In-N-Out. Like in Henderson, Nevada, there's a really good In-N-Out.
There's a good one in Henderson.
What do you think's better, the onion rings or the cheese curds?
That's tough. They're both really good. Probably the onion rings though.
Me too. The onion rings are pretty good.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with onion rings. Oh, actually, yeah, you can.
If they're like hard, if the exterior is hard, then they're not good. Would you rather eat salad for a whole week or have to make your food in the snow every single day, but you could eat like meat?
Cook my food in the snow.
And you couldn't wear shoes.
Cook my food in the snow.
Okay. How many kids do you want?
2 or 3.
What do you like to do for work?
I like remodeling stuff. Fixing up old houses.
If you won $1 million right now from the lotto, what would be the first thing you would do?
First thing I do winning the lottery, buy a house.
Okay. And you would want to buy it in the foothills? If you could vacation anywhere, where would you go?
Philippines.
The Philippines.
Yeah. Philippines or Hawaii.
Those would be fun. I've always wanted to go to both of those places.
Which one first?
I think Hawaii would be easy versus the Philippines is international. I would like to go to the Philippines, like if we went with your mom or with my dad's friend, because they are from the Philippines. So it would be easier for them to show us around and like to know what to do. Versus if we just went on our own and we had to research. What's your favorite dipping sauce?
I like ranch. Ranch and fry sauce.
Me too. It's really sunny. It's not hitting your eyes though, huh?
A little bit.
Just a little bit, that's not bad. It kind of keeps like coming and going because the clouds are like coming over the sun and they open up and hide the sun, but right now it is very sunny in my eyes. So for the rest of the day, we're just gonna hang out, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive up the mountains and
We're going to Home Depot too.
Oh, and we're gonna go Home Depot. Oh shit. I forgot about that. Because he's gonna build stairs at his dad's cabin. So we'll show you, we'll give you guys a tour of the cabin when we make it up there. But for the rest of the day, we'll probably just hang out and then probably have some soup later that we made.
What you made?
You made it too. But that's it. We finished everything. There's only one left. Or there's two. We'll share them. But that's it. I don't want to talk with my mouth full, like straight in the camera. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's really sunny, so I can barely see. Do you want to say bye to them?
We'll see you guys later.
Yeah, see you later. Bye.
Bye.